Hello everyone, thank you for joining today's session. I'm Hamida from the Zoho SalesIQ team, and today we will be talking about a very useful and powerful aspect of SalesIQ, which is integrations with instant messaging channels. We will be discussing about how you can bring all your business communications from various IM platforms like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and more into Zoho SalesIQ and manage all your business communications under one roof. Hope everyone has grabbed a snack and maybe a cup of coffee, because we'll be diving right in right away. Let's first take a look at the agenda I've planned for today's session. First, we'll talk about what Zoho SalesIQ is. We'll then talk about all the communication platforms available in SalesIQ. We'll talk about the concept of channels. We'll see how you can use channels for your business and assist your audience right from within the SalesIQ dashboard. Along with that, we'll also look at how you can leverage native SalesIQ tools like canned replies, FAQs, articles, widgets, etc. for chats that you get from the integrated instant messaging channels. We'll also check out new updates like bot support for IM channels. We'll also talk about scheduling appointments for your IM channel users using Zoho Bookings integration. After that, we'll go forward to actually look at how exactly you can configure the WhatsApp channel. We'll integrate SalesIQ with a WhatsApp business account, and we'll also see how a WhatsApp chat will be received inside SalesIQ. We also have a quick sneak peek in the WhatsApp channel. We have a new, much awaited update that's coming soon. So for the first time, we will reveal an upcoming feature that should be available for you all very soon. Yes, I want you all to stay tuned because we do have a big reveal, and I want you to guess the feature in the comments, yeah? Following WhatsApp, we'll also quickly look at the WeChat channel requirements, and we'll also look at the line channel configurations after that. And finally, we'll end with a Q&A session where we will be answering any questions that you might have. So that's the plan for this session. Sound good? Right, let's get started. So I wanted to begin with a story today. Meet Sarah, who is a fashion designer, and she's running a fashion boutique called Zilka Fashion Store. And she sells designer outfits where they provide personalized assistance and also design custom outfits. Now they have decent traffic on their website, but majority of their business runs on social platforms. They do have a good number of clients on WhatsApp, Instagram, and Telegram, and some other channels as well. And she also has a mobile app for her business, which also has good traffic. Now, with not much manpower at her disposal, Sarah must handle all of these modes of her business, and she's looking for a solution that makes it easy to handle it all. So that's when Sarah comes across Zoho SalesIQ. So what exactly is Zoho SalesIQ? Zoho SalesIQ is a real-time customer engagement, analytics, and support platform that helps connect a business with its website visitors. In the most basic level, SalesIQ is a live chat software that connects or links a business with the people who are visiting their website. Now, let's break this down. Imagine going into an offline store, let's say a furniture showroom. Once you enter the showroom, usually someone will approach you to help you out with what you need, right? But in case of an online store, that is a website, can you expect the same treatment? Someone to greet you as you enter the website and help you every step of the way, just like in an offline store? And that is easily possible with Zoho SalesIQ. SalesIQ acts like a bridge between you as a business and your website visitors. It helps initiate the relationship between a customer and a business. When you install SalesIQ to your website, you will get a chat widget so that people who are visiting your site can use it to connect with you, that is your business. They can ask their queries and concerns, which is like a connecting point. But not just that, with SalesIQ, you'll be able to know who is visiting your website, and you can actually reach out and interact with them in real time to help them with your needs and requirements. So, as I said, SalesIQ is a bridge or a connecting point that helps initiate the relationship between a customer and a business, right? So, we've just talked about how SalesIQ helps with your website visitors. But we talked about Sarah's business, and she isn't running her business only on a website, right? She has a business website, she has a mobile app, and she's also running her business on social channels, right? Because today, businesses are being run on various platforms, and it's now time to see all the platforms that SalesIQ caters to. The first one is website, as I said, that is a chat widget on the website, which is kind of most prominently used mode by a lot of businesses. Having said that, SalesIQ is not only for your websites. If you have your own mobile application for your business, SalesIQ can be implemented there as well. SalesIQ is supported on mobile apps on iOS and Android, as well as cross-platform mobile apps like React Native, Cordova, and Flutter. We have Mobilison for this, which is SalesIQ SDK for your mobile app. So whatever is on your website, you can plan it for your mobile app users as well. Another thing we have is email signature. So when you send out campaigns or even regular support emails, you can add a SalesIQ email signature, and the recipient of the email will be able to see a chat icon, which they can click on and get instantly connected to your operators in real time. So instant connection with email signature as well. And finally, we also have integrations with social media and instant messaging apps. So today, everyone, wherever they are, they'll have at least one of these apps, right? And this is our main topic of today's webinar. Instant messaging channels on SalesIQ. So channels are a connection between your instant messaging platforms and SalesIQ. So let's say you have a business page on social media, let's say Instagram. So one of your followers or a random Insta user is messaging your Instagram business page, right? By using the Instagram channel integration on SalesIQ, you will get the chat right inside your SalesIQ dashboard. That means that your operators do not have to navigate to your Instagram in order to assist your Insta audience. Everything is available inside your SalesIQ. And just look at the range of platforms we support. We have Facebook Messenger, we have Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp, Line, as well as our newest addition, which is WeChat. So what does this mean? If your business has social presence on all of these platforms, you can integrate all of these channels, and all of your business communications on these platforms can be unified and brought into a single dashboard where you can assist your customers effectively. Instead of going to the platform where your customer or prospect is messaging from, you can just reply to the message on SalesIQ and handle all of these communications under one hood. This allows for easier, better connection with customers, prioritizing the convenience of the customer by letting them use the platform that they prefer and frequently use. They do not have to navigate to your website to connect with you. They can just message your business on their preferred platform, and you can assist them inside SalesIQ because that chat will be received inside SalesIQ with channels. Yes? Alright, now let's take a look at an incoming chat within SalesIQ from one of the IM platforms, right? Alright, so let me take you inside the SalesIQ dashboard. So this is what we call live rings view within SalesIQ. So on these rings, you will be able to see all of the website visitors who are currently on your site. Yes, so all of these people are currently browsing through your pages on your website. So those visitors will be shown in here. So now let's take a look at an incoming chat that is from one of the IM platforms that I talked about. Let's say Instagram. So I've already connected the Instagram channel for SalesIQ here. So let me show you. So here on Instagram, I've already connected Zilker Shop. So if any Insta user sends a message to the page that I've connected, that is Zilker_shop on Instagram, that message should be received inside SalesIQ, right? So I'm going to send a message to the connected Instagram page, which is Zilker_shop, and I'm going to just say, hi, I need some help. And when I send it, that message will be received within the SalesIQ dashboard. Yes? So once the message is received and I've picked up the chat, we have been redirected to the operator dashboard, which is where the communication happens between your operators and the visitors, your website visitors or the visitors from your channels. Everything, the communications will happen in the operator dashboard. So here we have a lot of tools that can make your assistance and support sessions very much effective. So we have the canned replies right here. So you just have to type in / and all of the pre-saved responses will be populated. I can just select and then send it. So this is just a quick and easy way of communicating with and assisting your visitors. The channel users in this case. And then we have articles and FAQs right here. You can just share articles or FAQs based on what your visitor is asking you based on your queries. So we also have So we have the info widgets to the right, we have the Zoho CRM widget, we have the Zoho Desk widget, all of which can be utilized to assist your IM channel users right from SalesIQ. So you cannot find all of these options in your Instagram or your Facebook, right? So all of that is available within SalesIQ. We will be talking about all of these tools in just a minute, but I also wanted to start another chat from Facebook because what I want to show you is that all of the channels that we have on SalesIQ, which is Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, Line, WeChat, if you have business presence in all of these platforms, you can connect it with SalesIQ and bring all of those chats within SalesIQ. So I just want to show you just another platform that I've already connected. So we have the Facebook channel, which is connected. Let me show you that as well. So under Facebook, we've connected Zilker Shop. So I'm going to go into Facebook and send a message to Zilker Shop. Let's say, hi, can I get some help? And what happens is that, yes, so the message has been received. I'm just gonna pick it up. So that message has also been received within the SalesIQ dashboard. So what did we see here? We have the Instagram message. We also have the message from Facebook. So this is how you can bring in all of the chats from different platforms into SalesIQ into a unified dashboard and assist your visitors. Now, to understand this a little better, in the business use case we were discussing, we talked about Sarah's business and how she was running her business on various platforms, and she has majority of her clients coming in from social platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, and Telegram, right? But now let's break this down a little further. We know that Sarah has started using SalesIQ, but let's dig a little deeper into what problems Sarah was facing to run her business on all these social platforms. And has SalesIQ helped her with those problems or not, right? Let's see. So first up, her team could not keep track of all the inquiries and potentials and customers in the different platforms, that is Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and all of those platforms. So they couldn't keep track of all of the, inquiries and potentials. And after that, they were not able to provide proper support because the support and assistance features on the instant messaging platforms are not very full-fledged and they couldn't handle the volume. Another thing is that Sarah was juggling between these instant messaging platforms and her CRM system to handle leads and customer details. So she had to move from here to there, and then there was a lot of confusion there. And then she couldn't keep a check on the complaints and grievances that she received on all of these platforms, right? So these are some of the problems that Sarah was facing. Now, as business owners, I'm sure all of you here are able to relate with at least one of these problems, right? So what is the solution? Now, let's say that Sarah decided to integrate all of the instant messaging platforms with SalesIQ using channels. So let's go back to this chat here from Insta and see how all of these problems that Sarah is facing will be solved using SalesIQ's channels, right? So the first problem was that her team could not keep track of the inquiries. But now, with all the platform communications being united into a single dashboard, which is SalesIQ, messages and inquiries are seamlessly integrated into SalesIQ, allowing her support team to manage them effectively without any confusions, and there is no missing out on messages as well, because all of the messages from all of these platforms will be listed in the active chats, and you can the team had every opportunity to make sure that all the customers and the messages were attended to within the SalesIQ dashboard. There was no going to other platforms. Just within SalesIQ, everything is being done, right? So the next problem was that the team could not assist effectively because there was no support and assistance features on the IM platforms. Those were very limited on those platforms, right? But hello, SalesIQ has top-notch features right here in the operator dashboard. Like I said before, we have canned replies right here. You can just type in / and all of these pre-saved replies will just pop up, and you can just go ahead and select and send it. And we have tags right here at the top. You can just add relevant tags which are actually descriptive labels that you can add to the conversation based on the subject of the chat. So let's say this chat was about, cancellation of an order. So you can just go ahead and say cancellation and say add. And this particular tag will be added to this chat, right? So at a later date, if you wanted to filter out conversations related to this particular tag, that is possible with the filter option, right? You can just go here and filter it out based on the tag we just set, right? So, and then after that, we have the writing assistant at the bottom. Let me show you. Let's just say we were talking about cancellation. Your cancellation request has been logged. Let's just say that. And when I click on writing assistant here, we have options like revise, rephrase, expand, shorten. So once I click on one of these, the writing assistant will actually give me an expanded version. So in that way, you can actually rephrase, revise, all of these things you can do. This is actually an integration with OpenAI. This is the ChatGPT integration. So this will allow you to expand, rephrase, all of the messages that you type in. You can actually use this writing assistant to make your messages better, and whatever what you want to send, you can actually do that. You can just use it, and that is it. So since we've been talking about the OpenAI integration, I wanted to also show another feature that is associated with it. We have the summarize option here. So what this will do is actually it'll summarize the entire conversation into a short paragraph. So if you wanted to have a quick look at, one of the recent chats or one of the chats that you've been having with this particular person, you can just go ahead and click on summarize, and the entire conversation will be summarized for you for quick understanding. Yes. And after that, you have other options like you can invite operator, where you can invite another operator into the conversation in case that was needed. You also have the transfer chat, so you can transfer the chat to another operator who might be better suited to assist the customer. And again, we have recent chats, and we have notes, that that the operators can add if needed. And yeah, so all of these support features are available and can be put to use with SalesIQ. And coming to the use case, Sarah's support team can now provide timely assistance with all of the support features that is available within SalesIQ, right? So another problem that they were facing was that Sarah had to juggle between all of the instant messaging platforms and her CRM system to handle leads and customer details, right? So that was another problem, and now that is also resolved with SalesIQ, because right here we have the Zoho CRM widget, which will actually help you push the details of the channel user right into CRM right from here. So you can just click on push to CRM and click choose the lead or contact, and then just say company name. Just go ahead and fill in the details, and so just type in so lead owner, and you can add a follow-up task right from here for CRM and then click on submit. And what happens here is that the details will be pushed right into CRM right from here, okay? So you didn't have to go to CRM to log in the details. Just with the CRM widget here, the visitor details have been pushed to CRM, and you can just go here, just go ahead, click on that, and you will be logged into CRM, and you are actually on the lead page. So Hamida as a lead has been created on CRM, right? So that is how the Zoho CRM widget works. So what we just saw was a seamless integration between Zoho CRM and Zoho SalesIQ, and with the channels integration, you can actually add all the channel users information into Zoho CRM right from here. You do not have to navigate anywhere. This is a seamless integration, right? So SalesIQ supports two types of CRM integrations. One is Zoho CRM. Another one is actually Salesforce. So if you are integrating SalesIQ with Salesforce, that widget will be populated here. So you can just push your details, the visitor details to CRM, your Salesforce CRM right from here, right? And after that, another problem, the last problem that they were facing is that they couldn't keep track of grievances and complaints. And for that, we have the desk widget right here. So in case there was a problem in the chat, you can actually convert the chat as a ticket right from here, and just go ahead and select the department. And then click on submit. And the ticket has been added successfully into Zoho Desk. So that is how, just like the CRM widget, this is how the Zoho Desk widget works as well. So the ticket has been created in Zoho Desk right from SalesIQ, and this is how you can actually log in your complaints and grievances into Desk right from SalesIQ. So that is another thing that is also being resolved by SalesIQ's integration with channels, right? Now, with all that we just saw, do we see the potential here? You are essentially linking your business's instant messaging accounts to SalesIQ, getting all the incoming chats from all the platforms within the SalesIQ dashboard, which will be populated right here. You will also have all the essential visitor, customer information stored on the SalesIQ dashboard for future reference. You will also log the leads into CRM right from here, no navigation, nothing. You can also do that for Zoho Desk for the ticket creation as well. You are also able to use all the powerful features of SalesIQ's operator chat window to maximize operator productivity and efficiency, and this will lead to business growth, which is ultimately what we want, right? Now, moving on. Let's think about a new perspective in the same use case, right? So Sarah is running her fashion store online, and now that she has integrated with the SalesIQ channels, with all the tools that is available, her operators are able to handle the customers really, really well. So first they received 10 queries per day, and then that was easily handled. Then it turned to 20, 25 queries per day, 50 queries per day, but they still handled it pretty well because of the various features and controls available in SalesIQ. But how far can we really take this? What about 100 queries? 500 queries? Even with all the support tools and assistance features available, how many chats can your operators really take up? Because the more the volume of chats, the more the workload and more chances for lesser quality of conversations by the operators, right? Even if we have such good support features at our disposal, this becomes quite strenuous, I think. So what's the solution here? We need a solution that can handle the incoming volume, how much ever the volume is, while still maintaining the quality of the conversations. I think you know where I'm going with this. What do we need here? We need chatbots. Chatbots are basically chat automation solutions to automate customer interactions. You can use chatbots to automate any use cases for your business engagement. For example, if you want the bot to schedule a demo, it'll do that for you. If you wanted to offer suggestions to visitors to buy products, that it will do. You wanted to receive payments, get visitor data and create leads in CRM, or you wanted to provide answers to basic routine questions, anything you want, you can automate with chatbots. And SalesIQ provides two types of bots. One is AnswerBot to handle all your routine questions and queries. So what AnswerBot does is that based on the visitor's question, the AnswerBot will provide answers in the form of articles and FAQs, that is from your knowledge base. So based on the visitor's query, the AnswerBot will search for articles and FAQs related to the query, and it will just share the articles and FAQs to the visitor. And the other bot that SalesIQ offers is Zoho, which is actually a bot building platform to automate customer interactions with any business use case that you need. With Zoho, the options and use cases that you could use is endless. Anything you need can be achieved with Zoho. It'll work in all sales, marketing, and support perspectives in the way that you need it to work. It can create leads, generate support tickets, you can market your deals and offers, you can schedule a demo for you, it can receive payments. Whatever you need, you can achieve with Zoho. Yes? Let me show you. So here, as I said, we have Zoho and AnswerBot here under bot. So AnswerBot, you do not have to build an AnswerBot for your brand. You can just enable it and it'll be good to go. So you do not have to build it. All you have to do is enable it and your brand will have the AnswerBot up and running on the site. And the other one is Zoho. So to build a Zoho, we have 7 different platforms, 7 different bot builders. So it features our signature codeless bot builder platform, which is a drag and drop interface to build bots. We also have a scripting platform for coding enthusiasts, which is SalesIQ Scripts. And we also have third-party platforms like Dialogflow, Watson, Azure, webhooks. We also have Haptic here. And we also have Zia Skills. These are the 7 different bot builder platforms that is available. So let me show you a bot that I have built, a very simple flow for the business use case that we talked about, which is Sarah's Zilker Fashion Boutique. So I've created a bot using the codeless bot builder. Let me show you. So this is the codeless bot builder playground. So what you have to do is here you need to drag and drop elements to create the flow that you need for your visitors. So let me just cut this flow and I can show you how you play around. So this is the card gallery. So from this you need to go ahead and drag elements and drop it and save it. So that is how you do it. So once that is done, you can just click on plus again and get another card, drop it, and add the configurations and then click on save. And this is how you can actually build a flow based on what you need for your visitors, right? So I have actually built a flow for, let me just cut it out and bring it back here. I've built a flow for the fashion store. So this bot has two different flows. One is for deals of the day, which is just a marketing flow. And what it goes on to do is it actually creates a lead in Zoho CRM. So the bot creates a lead in Zoho CRM with the details provided by the visitor. The bot does it on its own. And we have a book an appointment flow, which is an integration with Zoho Bookings, where the bot will create an appointment in Zoho Bookings, right? So that is the two flows that I have for the fashion store. And yes, I can hear the question in everyone's mind. Yes, Zobot is supported on channels. Whatever you're planning for your website, you can plan it for your channels as well. So Zobot is supported on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, Line. So whatever the bot flow that you create, you can plan it for your channels as well, right? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you the working of this bot on Facebook, on the Facebook channel and the Telegram channel. So let's see, I will show you this flow, which is exclusive deals in Facebook, and then book an appointment flow I'll show you on Telegram, right? So let's just see how it works on these channels. Alright, so this is the Facebook page that I've connected to the Facebook channel on SalesIQ. So I'm just going to click on message. I'm going to say, hi, I need help. And let's see. Yes, the bot has triggered. So I'm going to click on the first option, which is exclusive deals. Yes, so we have certain options displayed as in the form of carousel card that we saw in the bot. So I'm just going to click on the first option and then click on buy now. So it's asking me for my name. I'm going to say Jordan. Please enter your email address. So we'll type out that. To the specify the order quantity that I require of this dress. So I'm just going to say 2. Share your location. I'm just going to type in my location. And yes, so your order has been scheduled. Is there anything else? So our agent will contact you regarding the payment. So it's giving me 2 options, which is back to main menu, and no, that's it. So what this bot was supposed to do in this flow is that we saw that there was an integration with Zoho CRM. So it is supposed to create a lead in CRM. So let's go ahead and check our CRM to see if the lead has been created. So this is Zoho CRM. I'll just refresh the page and we have Jordan. So let's go into Jordan's page, lead page, and we see the interested product has been captured as well. So we have the ruffle gown that we chose there. So all of that, all of the details that Jordan has given has been captured in Zoho CRM, right? So that is what that flow does. So that was the marketing flow with the deals and offers. Now moving on to the book appointments flow, where we will be scheduling appointments for your IM channel users. So I'm going to be using Telegram for this. Let's see. Now I'm going to be sending a message from my Telegram to Zilka Fashion, say, hi, I need help. Yes, the bot is triggered and I'm going to choose book an appointment from the 2 options. And yeah, so we have customized and general fashion consultation, so I choose that. And we have the months that are available. I'm going to choose the month as August. And then we have the dates, so I'm choosing 1st of August. So I'm choosing one of the available times. So let me type that out. Leah. Yes, let's type in our email. Yes. Okay, so let's type in our phone number as well. Great, so we have our success message here and the appointment is successfully booked. Let's go into Zoho bookings to actually verify if the appointment has been booked. Yes? So let me go into Zoho bookings to actually check if the appointment has been booked. So I'm refreshing and go to August 1 because that's the date we chose. And yes, we have our consultation. Our appointment has been booked successfully, as we can see here. And yes, these are the details, just as we booked. So that was all about bot support for IM channels as well as scheduling appointments for your IM channel users. Yes, when it comes to scheduling appointments, I wanted to say that this particular feature, which is bookings card support, is available only for WhatsApp, Telegram, and Line channels at the moment. So we will be bringing in the support for other channels very, very soon. But for now, we have supported only for these 3 channels. Right, so now moving on, we have to move on to the next part of today's webinar, which is how to set up the WhatsApp channel. So this is going to be a quick tutorial on setting up your WhatsApp channel. So for this, you need a few things before we get started. We need a Meta business account. We also need a WhatsApp business account, and we need a valid phone number. To access the WhatsApp Business API, we need to also verify this phone number with OTP. And the major thing is that this phone number should not be connected to any WhatsApp account, right? It should be a new number. It can't be connected to any WhatsApp, right? So, and about the WhatsApp, Meta business account and WhatsApp business account, we can actually create both of that in the configurations itself. So if you do not have it, we can actually create it within the WhatsApp configurations, right? So let's move on to setting up your WhatsApp. So under messaging channels, click on WhatsApp and click on add account. So here you can log into your Facebook, click on continue if you've already logged in, and then click on get started. Here you can select your business portfolio. If you've not already created it, you can create it, and if you already have it, you can just select one of those, and then you can write in your business name. You can provide your business website address. And you can select your country as well. Once that's done, you can click on next. After that, you can choose a WhatsApp business account and a WhatsApp business profile. You can choose to create both of those in this space, and then you can click on next. Here you can provide your WhatsApp business account name. Okay, you can choose the category for your business here. I'm choosing clothing, and then click on next. So you can add the phone number for your WhatsApp business account here. Choose the country code, then add in the phone number. So we can choose to verify either with text message or phone call. I've chosen text message and click on next. Provide the verification code that you would have received on your number. And once that's done, click on next. And now we can click on save. That is it, and click on finish, and your configurations are almost done. So now we've been redirected to our SalesIQ WhatsApp channel page. Here we can choose the number that we've added first and then click on next. So in this step we need to add credits, and it can be noted that the first 1,000 conversations are free completely every month. No credits are required for that. But once the first 1,000 conversation limit is used up, the user must purchase credits to resume the conversations. Yes. And then click on add later. So here you need to choose the department that you want to manage your WhatsApp chats. So this is the department that will be managing your WhatsApp chats. And now click on next. And now verify all of the steps, and then we are done. So that is pretty much it. So your WhatsApp is now configured, and any message received on your WhatsApp business in the number that we've just set here will be received within the SalesIQ dashboard. So next we have something called preferences right here. So under the preferences tab, we have the option to manage your WhatsApp channel's active and missed chats. So the first option is chat ending time limit, where we can set the time limit to close missed chats after a period of time where it's inactive. This means that your operators must respond to the missed chats before the set time here, so that the chats will not be closed. They can just respond to the missed chats and it can be attended to, instead of them going into the closed state where it will not be possible for the operators to respond. And next we have idle chat handling. So in case of active WhatsApp chats that have become idle, that is the WhatsApp user or the operator has not responded to the conversation for a certain time and the chat has become idle, those chats can be closed automatically after the specified time here. We actually had a time limit of 12 hours before, and now we have extended it to 24 hours. So in case you have set 24 hours here, idle chat will remain active for 24 hours, after which it will be closed and we move to the closed chat section. So that is the criteria that we have here under the preferences section. With that, we have configured WhatsApp. And now for the big reveal. Remember when we were talking about the agenda for today's session, I had said that there was a particular feature that has not been released yet, but it is a very, very much awaited feature, and I will be giving a sneak peek into that feature in this webinar. So this is very much exclusive. This is it's not yet out. We are still in process of developing this feature, but this is an exclusive sneak peek. Let's go ahead. I'm sure you would have guessed what I was going to talk about. This is WhatsApp templates. It's coming soon into SalesIQ. So you will be able to send WhatsApp templates to your prospects and customers using SalesIQ, and your operators will also have the chance to reopen conversations by using WhatsApp templates. So this is something that has been much awaited, and yes, we are glad to say that this feature is coming soon and we will be releasing this pretty soon. So this is just a sneak peek into WhatsApp templates. Alright, so I'll just take you into the product and show you what you can expect with this feature. This is, as I said, it's coming very soon. So let's go ahead and see how that works. Go into WhatsApp, we'll go to templates on the top right, which will be added, as I said. And then you click on add on the top right. And here, this is the section where you actually create your WhatsApp template. So we can add in a template name first. So add in a template name, and then you have two categories which is supported. This is the WhatsApp category, which is supported here. We have utility and marketing for now. And then you can choose the language for your WhatsApp template. We have two header types, which is text, media, or you can even choose none. I'm going to choose image and upload an image for this. So you can type in the message body here. I'm just going to type in a few things. new and exclusive outfits. So anything you want, whatever content you need for your template, you can add it right here. We have button options, which is call to action and quick reply. We have two types of call to actions here. You can add in a phone number, or you can also choose visit website, which is actually you can redirect to the website. So I'm just going to type in the button text and the website URL, and then yes, that's it. Click on create and your template will be created. Yes, your template is created, and yes, you can go ahead and have a look at what you just created. And if you wanted to make any changes to it, you can do that as well, and you can click on save, and that is it. We will be seeing this very soon on SalesIQ. Alright, so that was about WhatsApp templates. Now moving on, next we have the line channel configurations. So we'll just take a quick look at how you can configure your line channel for SalesIQ. As we know, Line is one of the most used instant messaging platforms in several parts of Asia. And we have supported Line very recently on SalesIQ. So let's just take a quick look at the configurations. Go to settings and click on Line right here, and then click on one of the brands that you want to configure your Line account with. So here you have the configurations for your Line account. So first up, we need the channel ID and channel secret. So for that, let's go to our Line account. So here under messaging API, you can enable the messaging API, add in the details, name, email, click on agree, and provide new provider, and then right. So with that, you have enabled, and here you have your channel ID and channel secret. So you can copy this information and paste it to your SalesIQ, right? And after that, we have two steps here, which is response mode and webhook URL. So for this, you need to go to your Line account. You need to go to response settings on the left. And at the top here, you have the chat section. Make sure that this is disabled. This option needs to be disabled for chats to be received within SalesIQ. So make sure that that is disabled. And after that, enable the webhooks option. Once that is enabled, go back to messaging API, and here you can just save the webhook URL. So we've saved our webhook URL here. Let's go back to SalesIQ. So we just did the response mode and webhook URL steps in Line. After that, we just have the same steps that we saw in WhatsApp. Channel configuration, which is here you need to select the department where you want your Line chats to be routed to, and then you verify, and that is it. Your Line channel will be configured. Yes. So that was about the Line channel configurations. That was pretty simple. Alright, so we have come to the last topic of today's session, which is WeChat channel configuration. We'll just take a quick look at how to set up your WeChat channel as well. So as we know, WeChat is one of the most used instant messaging platforms in China with a huge user base. And this is our newest addition to our SalesIQ channels. This was released only a few months earlier. So let's take a look at the configurations. So first up, from settings, go to WeChat channel, and then click on a brand that you want to configure WeChat for. Copy the IP list from here, and then go to your WeChat official account. And under basic configuration, you can click on view under IP whitelist. You can just paste the IP list that we copied from SalesIQ and click on confirm. You will get a verification QR code, and once you verify, your setup will be successful. You can close this. You can go back to IP listing on SalesIQ and then click on next. Here you have to add in your account details. So let's go to account info And once you scroll down, you will get the original ID here. Copy this and paste it to your SalesIQ. Next, we have app ID. Go to basic configurations and you have the developer ID at the top. This is your app ID. Copy it and paste it to SalesIQ. Next, you have app secret. So here you have the developer password, which is your app secret. So this will be provided during account registration. So if you want to reset it now, you can do that as well, and then you can copy it and you can paste it here. Now for the token, you can click on generate token and copy it and paste it to your WeChat under token. So this is under basic configuration as well. And then for encoding AES key, you can generate it again. You can generate the key here and then go ahead and paste it to your basic configurations on WeChat. And for the message encryption, make sure that the plain text mode is selected here on WeChat. And then click on next on SalesIQ. And next step is webhook URL. So you can copy the URL from here and then you can paste it to your WeChat URL here and click on submit, and the submission will be successful. So that is it. We can check the box, and next is the step to add the department for which the WeChat chats must be routed, and then you can verify and then you are done. So that was about WeChat configurations. We will be sharing all of the user guides of the channels configurations in the chat section. So please do take a look at that as well. We have actually come to the end of this webinar with this. That is pretty much what I had planned for this session. So thank you everyone for staying on till the end. I really do hope that you found this session helpful and that you do use channels for your business, because it's really going to be useful and it's going to help your business grow. So thank you everyone.